Oh, I don't.
Oh,
You're
dad.
still fit.
Yeah.
He's not her dad.
She's right. Speaking as a dad, you'll know one day.
know.
Something to look forward to then, right? And we've got some sunshine to look forward to in the 7-day forecast. But before that arrives, as we get toward Thursday and Friday, we'll have a few more downpours and some more clouds to contest with tomorrow. Outside right now, though, live Doppler radar shows very quiet conditions up and down the entire west coast of our state, as the forecast really once again focuses around this. Tropical storm Cindy, now up to 60-mile-per-hour sustained winds in the Gulf of Mexico. Nothing has changed, though, when it comes to our impacts from this storm. As you can see, the core of the strongest winds are still on the northeastern side of it, and it's kicking up some really big waves as well. Right now, the satellite data is showing waves cresting above 15 feet in the open waters of the Gulf to the south of parts of Louisiana, Mississippi, and Alabama. As you can see with the system, though, it's a really lopsided one. Almost all the rain and clouds are on the eastern side of it, and some very heavy rain and severe weather is now impacting parts of the Panhandle. There have been several tornado warnings up toward the Panhandle tonight as well. So where is Tropical Storm Cindy going? Well, the center of it will continue to progress toward the west and the northwest, and that part of the storm looks to make landfall between Texas and Louisiana as we get toward early Thursday. What is really important to keep in mind, though, when it comes to this system is that it's lopsided, and almost all the effects when it comes to heavy rain will be felt on this side of the system here on the eastern side of it. Here in South Florida, don't expect a lot of rain whatsoever from this one. We're talking about less than an inch all the way through Thursday, but up toward the northwest of us, parts of the Panhandle and Mississippi and Alabama, some places could get a lot of rain. We're talking about more than 10 inches of possibility over the next 2 days. So the northern Gulf Coast will see the brunt of this system. If you're doing some traveling up there tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, keep that in mind. And if you're here in Southwest Florida and by the Gulf of Mexico, keep in mind those winds will again be elevated tomorrow, and there once again will be some rough seas off the coast of Southwest Florida. Our forecast, though, again features some clouds here and winds again hailing from the south. So with that in mind, we maybe could see an isolated shower or two in the morning, but our best rain prospects come in the afternoon tomorrow after lunchtime. And as you can see here, especially for areas along and to the east of Interstate 75. It's not going to rain in every community tomorrow, and it's certainly not going to rain all day, but just keep in mind the chance for some passing downpours or maybe a thunderstorm. And again, like I mentioned, mostly during the afternoon hours. When it comes to your 7-day forecast, you'll notice a little bit of some changes developing here longer term. As we get toward Thursday, Friday, and Saturdays, a little wedge of some drier air is going to push our direction from the Atlantic Ocean. What that means for you, less rain opportunities. In fact, coverage goes quite isolated with less than 30% of us picking up some rain as we finish up the work week. That's your first alert forecast. Enjoy.